Red Bull doesn't just wake me up, it powers me up.
Hey everyone, great to see you again. If you thought those videos you watched were created with pricey AI tools like VEO3 or Sora, let me tell you, you've got it all wrong. All these clips were created on Higgsfield, with the brand new WAN 2.5 model, completely free. Stick around till the end of this video to find out how you can get free access to, and make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I've got an exciting video coming soon where I'll teach you how to create magnates media style edits using Higgsfield. For now, here's a quick demo so you can see what's coming.
Since launching ChatGPT, OpenAI has become one of the most influential and valuable tech companies in the world. But the story of what's going on behind the scenes is crazy. From trying to overthrow their CEO to completely abandoning their original principles, this video is the insane history of OpenAI.
Alright, now let's talk about Higgsfield's models and features. Here, you get unlimited image and video generation in 720p quality, plus unlimited photo editing powered by top models like Dream 4 and Nano Banana. But here's the real question. How do you unlock all these unlimited generations? Don't worry, I'll break it down for you later in the video. I'll also explain exactly how the free offer works, so make sure you stick around. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is head over to Google and search for Higgsfield AI. That'll take you straight to the Higgsfield website. And don't worry, I've also dropped the link in the description below. Now, once you're on the site, you'll notice it says you can get unlimited access to top AI video models like WAN 2.5, Kling 2.1, Minimax, and a bunch more. And get this, you can even use Sora 2 without any limits. That's pretty insane, right? Okay, once you're there, just sign up using your Google account. After signing up, click on the video section, where you'll find all the top video generators. In this tutorial, we're going to test out WAN 2.5 and see exactly how good this model really is. WAN 2.5 comes packed with some seriously impressive features that set it apart from every other AI video model out there. It's culture-ready and completely uncensored, which means it supports celebrity visuals, stylized prompts, and even internet-native language. You get unlimited generations on paid plans, plus daily free runs for everyone. And here's the best part, it handles audio and motion together in a single pass. That means your lip sync, voiceover, sound effects, and camera movement all line up perfectly from the very first render. And if that's not enough, you're getting next-gen quality with full HD 1080p output, up to 10 seconds of runtime, and multiple aspect ratios perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube. Alright, enough talk, let's jump straight into it and test out the WAN 2.5 model on Higgsfield to see what it can really do. Alright, to generate a video, first head over to the video section and click on Create Video. Next, from the model list, select WAN 2.5 Unlimited. Then, move over to the image section, upload your image, and type your prompt in the prompt box. You can also turn on the Enhance Prompt option if you want a more detailed output. Now double-check that the selected model is WAN 2.5. For the resolution, let's go with 1080 pixels. Just a quick note, if you want to create unlimited videos, you can do that at 720p resolution. But right now, we'll be generating our video in 1080p. In the duration, you can select either 5 seconds or 10 seconds, whichever you prefer. Once you hit generate, the video will start rendering instantly, and that's it. And there we go, our video is finally ready. Let's hit play and check out the results together. See that? The video looks absolutely incredible, with sound and full HD quality. Now, animating fight scenes is one of the toughest things for any AI video model to pull off. Sure, this one isn't 100% perfect, but trust me, compared to other image-to-video models, WAN 2.5 has done a surprisingly good job bringing this scene to life. Alright, next up, I decided to make a Red Bull commercial, and for this one, I used an image of Albert Einstein. I added my prompt, with all the details of how I wanted the ad to look, hit generate, and boom, check this out.
Now that's what I call instant energy conversion.
Next, I went ahead and made a Pepsi commercial ad. All I did was upload a model's image, type in my prompt, hit generate, and that's it. Look at this result. It looks absolutely stunning. Just look at these visuals, they're super realistic, sharp, and high quality. The sound design and character consistency are on point. And here's the cool part, Higgsfield also lets you use its draw to video feature to create stunning commercial ads just like this one. Alright, so here's how you can use the draw to video feature. First, click here, where it says draw to video. Next, upload your model's image. I'm using this photo of a woman as an example. Then, click on the image icon and upload your product. Let's go with a Lay's packet for this demo. Now, make it a bit smaller and place it on the side like this. After that, grab the arrow tool and draw an arrow, just like I'm doing right now. Once that's done, type in a simple prompt like, a woman opens a packet of chips and eats the chips. Now hit generate, and boom. Check this out, the video came out absolutely stunning. The sound is perfectly synced, the realism looks spot on, and the character consistency is just next level. Besides that, Higgsfield also offers a bunch of amazing features. If you click on the apps section, you'll find presets that you can use to create your own commercial ads. My personal favorite is the Rap God preset. When I upload my image and click on generate, it swaps my face with the rapper in the video, and honestly, the results will shock you.
Check the mic, 1, 2, this is how we do. In the alleyway, under the neon hue. Yo, check the mic, 1, 2, this is how.
There are tons of presets like this that you can use either for fun or to make professional-looking commercial ads. Super useful feature. When it comes to image generation and editing, Higgsfield gives you access to some of the most powerful AI models out there, like Higgsfield Soul, which is amazing for creating ultra-realistic images. And on top of that, you get Seedream 4, which you can use unlimitedly to generate super high-quality visuals, and even edit them using reference images. For example, I uploaded a picture of Albert Einstein as my reference, and gave the prompt, Albert Einstein riding a bike. And just look at this, the result is insanely good. It looks so realistic and accurate, it's hard to believe it's AI generated. So if you've been spending your time and money on pricey AI tools like VEO3 or Sora 2, it's time to make the switch to Higgsfield. You'll find all the top AI video generators here, and the best part, you can use them unlimitedly. Seriously, don't think twice, the link's right there in the description, go check it out and try it for yourself. These were just some of the amazing features Higgsfield has to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.